In this video, I am going to show you how to reset your V380 Pro Wi-Fi camera. So, a factory reset, you will erase the camera Wi-Fi settings and password, so you'll need to set it up again in the application afterwards. So the first thing that you'd like to do is just go and turn on your camera, plug the camera into a power cable, as example, and wait until it's finished starting up before attempting to reset. Then, you'd like to locate the reset button. Depending on your camera model, the reset button may be under the camera lens, inside a small reset pinhole, or on a cable with a rubber cape. So if it's a pinhole example, which usually is, or sometimes it might be even a button, just use a paper clip or SI eject tool if needed, if there is a pinhole. And we would like to hold the reset button while the camera is powered on. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds and release it after hearing a voice prompt such as restore factory settings or waiting for Wi-Fi smart link configuration. These voices prompts indicate the reset was successful. So you'll have to wait for basically the camera until it resets, and this will take about 30 to 60 seconds, and the camera will reboot and enter the setup mode. Once it's entered that mode, you'll have to open then the V380 application or Pro app, then tap on add a device, follow the setup wizard, and connect your camera to your Wi-Fi network and create your new camera password. And after the setup, the camera will reconnect to your account with no problems. So yeah, that's how you reset your V380 Pro camera. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.